Hello and welcome back to Tammy's Antique Vintage Dolls and More. And if you hear any background noise, that's my husband. He's cooking right now. He's doing the lunch today. So anyhow, what has Tammy been up to? I've been sewing. And what have I been sewing? This is my sewing machine. This was my setup. I did really well. I was sewing up a whole bunch of little dresses, which I'm going to take you over to right now. And this is my old ironing board. It's an old wooden ironing board I got at a yard sale back, wow, about close to 40 years ago, maybe 42 years ago, I bought this for $1 at a yard sale. And it's an old wooden ironing board here. Anyways, all these little dresses here needed to be sewn up. And what did they need sewing was their sleeves. They needed their puff back in their sleeves, and I puffed them back up. All I did was put in new elastic in all their sleeves. And you can see they all have new elastic. All in there, all sewn up. They're all puffy again. And the Cupie here, she's sporting one right now. Let me back this out. Or am I going forward? I'm going forward. There we go. Oh, maybe I'm going to have to move back. There we go. Anyways, she's sporting one right now. She's wearing one. And her sleeves are puffed. A lot of these little dresses have been just sitting, waiting for me to come along and just do this. And so now, when I fix up a doll and I'm going to be looking at selling dolls down the road, I'll have dresses now to put on them. And that's what the whole point of this was supposed to be, was to get my dresses and everything lined up so that when I want to sell a doll, I'll have a dress to put on them. I don't have to sit and fix up dresses. I can just put it on, dress, and put it up for sale. So that is something that's coming up this spring. I'm hoping to get it up and going by springtime. Not guaranteeing, maybe it will be late spring. Just depending on how fast I move this winter with fixing dolls up. So I've already got a few ready to go to put online, but I'm not selling them right yet. But stay tuned, that is something coming up. So I'll be opening up a store on Etsy and maybe one on eBay. We'll see about eBay. But that's what's coming. So stay tuned. Tammy's working on some things here. So have a great day and we'll talk to you again.
Mamma mia!
Oh, we're having spaghetti, that's why.
Thank you for joining us.